get started with this installation, select your prints, snap open the frame, and insert the first print. Then snap the frame shut, flip it over, and repeat to secure your backside print. With the prints in place, mark holes for the mounting hardware and drill pilot holes. Measure and mark the distance for hanging wires and drill pilot holes for the mount on the other side. With those drilled, mark and drill the center holes to feed the hanging wire through. If installing on drywall, be sure to insert drywall anchors, and then secure the mounting hardware in place. With the hardware in place, feed the wire through the center hole until you reach the desired height. The wire will lock in place to prevent slipping. You can now wire the light box up in the ceiling or to a nearby outlet to complete installation. For more information, visit us at superbrightleds.com. LED lighting for everything.